What happened?
It was an accident.
Oh, no. You okay?
Yeah.
You didn't get hurt, right?
No.
That's Mommy's favorite bowl. What happened?
I was trying to get a banana. Then it just slipped.
Grandma gave her this. It's okay. It was an accident, right? Yeah, so it's okay. Don't worry about it. Well, I guess we should clean this up, right?
Yeah.
Alright, don't move from there, okay?
Okay. Daddy, I'm very sorry.
Oh, I know, buddy. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
You're gonna tell Mommy. I know. My thoughts exactly. You have any idea?
We should go get a new one.
A new one?
Yeah.
That's a good idea, but this one... I don't think you can buy this one in the store anymore.
Why?
Because this one was really old. I'm pretty sure Mommy's grandma gave it to her.
Oh.
But we could go find one that looks similar to it.
Yeah.
Should we go do that?
Yeah.
Alright, let me finish up cleaning and we'll go get one that looks just like it.
Yeah.
Alright.
And I hope Mommy won't be mad at us.
Us? You broke it. I'm just helping you out.
That looks like it.
What?
That looks like it.
Ooh, this does look like it. You think this will work?
Yeah.
Ooh, wait, I have an idea.
What?
We should get Mommy a backup present to give her in case she notices that's not her bowl, to make her less mad at you.
That's a great idea.
I feel bad tricking her. Should we tell her the truth?
Yeah.
Alright, let's tell her the truth. Whatever happens, it was an accident, right?
Yep.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Titus has something to tell you.
Mommy? That's a new bowl.
It is. Did you guys get a new bowl?
Yeah.
What happened to the other bowl?
Do you want to tell her what happened?
I was trying to get a banana, but it fell.
And it broke.
It broke?
I'm very sorry, Mommy.
It's okay, buddy.
But we got you something.
You got me